All right, today we're going to learn how to paint this vineyard landscape. All right, the question of the day is, what is the origin of vineyard? All right, let's run through the color. Quin red, pearly red, primary yellow, cad yellow, red oxide, ultramarine blue, quin blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. All right, today we're going to learn how to paint a vineyard.
Catch me in my feelings so when I'm feeling down, feeling low, you come down and bring me home. You know that I am hard sometimes, and I know it, babe. I try to change, but even when we fight, then the night we get closer, yeah. I wake up the day after and I feel like, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Loving comes, loving goes, but this feels right, not even close to the other ones I didn't know. With you, I've always been so sure. I know you find it hard sometimes to control it, babe. Your feels for me, but I want you to know that I feel the same for you, yeah. I wake up every day and I feel like, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to
So the origin of vineyard goes back to the French. Obviously, they cultivated wine in France pretty long ago, but wine dates back further back, all the way to the Greeks, Phoenicians, maybe even Iran. So it goes way back. So the word came from Vineyard, and over time that evolutionized to vineyard in English. So they kind of changed the word when they took it straight from French, you know, archaic French, obviously, in the 1300s, and then they switched it to the English version of vineyard. And in South Africa, they actually call it wine farm. So there's a lot of different variations of what it is called, and that's the question of the day. All right, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So here we have a really nice kind of light neutral background with the sky. Then you got kind of the fog rolling in, which I kind of really like how this kind of came together. I wasn't really convinced at first, but I think it works pretty well. And it's kind of faded in the foreground, so that makes sense because of fog, you can really see through it in a sense. And then you got this really nice vineyard layout with a little bit of the lights hitting the ground and the shadows from the poles kind of showing through. I think that works pretty well. Overall, I think the composition is really strong in this. That background mountain is maybe a little bit too red, but I did kind of want to have a little bit more different there than the green. So it's got green, red, and then blue. So maybe that's a little, I should tone that down a little bit, but I think overall it works pretty well. It's got a two-tone shadow on there. I added a shadow on the other mountain as well. And overall I think it's pretty strong. It has this, I probably should have brought the vineyards a little bit higher at the foreground, because it's kind of like a narrow view versus which you probably see in a zoom lens. So that's possible. But in the photo, I think it went up sharper, but I think it's fine. Still reads like a vineyard, and hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks for watching.